Hello again, everybody. This is Mia Shana. We have a cosmetic manufacturing company which is scheduled for interview on Monday, February 19. That will be Monday. So again, the job description for this is a cosmetic manufacturing company located in Chosei district in Chiba. So the salary for this is from 200,000 yen to 250,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So if you are willing to apply for this is scheduled again for interview Monday, February 19. So we're looking for 3 people for this. We are looking for an English speaker for this, but you must speak Japanese also. So if you are willing to apply, please let me know. And there will be Haneda airport job also on Monday. The job description for this is sales. So this is also located in Haneda Airport in Ottawa, Tokyo. We are looking for 3 people also for this, and the salary is from 214,000 yen up, and there will be bonus also. So we are looking for English speaking also for this, but conversational Japanese. So if you are willing to apply, please let me know. You can also call our office number at 036 206 8058. My name is Ashana. Thank you.